lot of people think Austrian economics started in the 1800s with Menger and Mises and Hayek, but the roots go back a lot further to the Spanish scholastics of the 1500s. These Christian theologians wrote about property rights, just prices, and the immorality of debasing money, all straight from the scriptures. Centuries later, Austrian economists picked up those same threads and themes and wove them together into a systematic school of thought. The bridge between them? Well, it's the Bible. Both traditions affirm voluntary exchange, personal responsibility, and the dangers of central control. Murray Rothbard, as a matter of fact, even referred to the Christian school of Salamanca as proto-Austrians. But what's really mind-blowing is this. Bitcoin carries that entire history forward. Bitcoin has encoded over 2,000 years of Christian economic teaching and Austrian economic wisdom and baked it into its mathematical protocol. You can read all about this historical intersection of theology, economics, and technology in my new book, Truth in Code, available September 30th.